Welcome, everybody. I'm out here getting out in the bush, just relaxing, gonna chill a bit. Actually, I came across some few targets, which is pretty good. And they're just up a ways here. Here, let me show you. Let me lower this down just a bit. There's my first target. That's some steel. I don't know what it is from, but I think it's from a tractor trailer, like a 18-wheeler or something. I'm not sure. My other one is way up there. I'm gonna be shooting at those, but also, oh. I'm also going to have a fire, hopefully, if I can get one going, and use the ferro rod. And I'm going to cook up some mountain house and have something to eat up here. So I want you all to join me. So give me a second, I'll be right back. Another thing is, here's my homemade one that I made for my ion. I'm going to do some slow motions, or slow-mo, and yeah. But I did find this one in Walmart. Same concept I made, but a little better. So I will be wearing this, and we'll be attaching this to the side of my rifle, maybe at the back end of it, or maybe up a little forward. So I'll be right back in a little bit here. I'll catch you guys, yeah, alrighty. This is how I was thinking maybe having it. Or could do right up here. As long as you don't get in the way of anything, like, see, safety zone, safety off. But I also got the Wi-Fi setting pod for this, and I'll be able to see what I'm looking at through that before recording. So that's friggin' rights. And I do got 5 rounds already loaded up. Fuck, so gay, 5 rounds, man. Come on. I would like to have at least whatever this can hold. 30? I like to go through ammo. I like target shooting. So before I even do any of that, before I load up, I'm going to turn around and show the gong. All right. Fucking mag, man. Piece of shit mag. That mag is so crappy. Fucking hate it. Oh, I did hit it. Here, we're gonna move you guys up to this other one here. I might have hit it, I might have not. Don't know if I hit that. I guess I'm hitting it. It just moved. Okay. And see, I was set on neutral, so I think what I'm going to do is yeet yeet. Like a shit. I knew I forgot something. I knew I forgot something. Have to let that dry. Hopefully I can get a fire going here. What I do got, I need to make it a little bigger. And I do got my ferro rod, which I will be using it. The stuff is some charred cloth. Well, the remains of a charred cloth. And it'll still go. Gotta make more. I got here. I'll lay this down. Got it on top. And we'll use that for whatever after. Actually, I did gather up more wood. So I'll be right back. But when I got more wood here gathered up, I'll bring y'all back.